It's getting through the snow really good though. Holy crap! Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're gonna go out for the first run of the ARRMA FIRETEAM. Literally the first run ever. I'm gonna be running two Gens Ace 3S 6500 milliamp hour advanced batteries. These are the fancy ones that have the little LiPo checker. Ready to go, powered up. So this is going to be the first one ever with the FIRETEAM. I've got the body set up how I want it. I'm only running the front hood. I've taken all the other panels off, which you can see in my unboxing video of why I've done that, as well as what I've also done to the vehicle, just to check it over for the first time. The other unique thing about the FIRETEAM is it has a mechanical rear brake. So we will be able to test this for the first time to see if we can do fun little kickouts and stuff, because we are on a frozen lake, just a nice little area here to explore. Okay, here we go, FIRETEAM for the first time. First pull. Oh yeah, we're on stock gearing. He's loose. Oh, it looks cool with the cage. It's got pretty good speed. That was just a normal kick out. I've not touched the emergency brake yet. Try the emergency brake now. Didn't. Oh, it's got too much power, so I can low speed e-braking, high speed on power. Kind of working. It works a little, not great. It's more sideways just without e-brake. Oh, it's cool when you let off and then slide. Let off, slide, then hit the brake. Oh, she gets some traction. She gets moving. Oh, that was close to a disaster. That was really close to a disaster. That was fun though. Oh, it looks awesome. All right, let's go explore some of the areas with elevation that we can go rip around with. Just got to keep the wheel speed up. Oh, that's hard on it. That's full throttle the whole time. That's going to drain the batteries pretty quick. Getting through the snow really good though. That's fun. Oh yeah, I forgot we brought out the KCRC ramp. So we're gonna go fly down from here, try and full speed hit. It's gonna be hard to keep it on the angle, but we're gonna try. All right, here we go. I just clicked the side of it. Oh, I still missed it. You guys are a little avalanched. Whoa, wait, it's snow in there. I guess that's the benefit of keeping the roof on, is that you can, all right, let's try and take another shot of that jump. All right, one more jump run. Yes! That was fun. That was full throttle. I couldn't keep the nose. Yes! It just doesn't have the rotational mass to right itself. Yeah. All right, that's the first run of the ARRMA FIRETEAM. It really, really has good acceleration on the grippy stuff. So
yeah. Well, that's why I'm curious to see when you get paddles on the snow.
Once I get paddles on the snow, it's going to be way better because I'm losing so much speed.
Yeah.
It just rips on gravel. Holy crap. I was going to do a FIRETEAM versus X-Max, but I really just want to run the paddles and see what it's like. Still the first run. I haven't changed battery. We're going to try it with paddles now. See what paddle power's like. Here we go. Holy crap! It rips. Low voltage.
Really?
Yeah, that's a lot of draw. That's a lot of draw on it. But yeah, that was the LVC cut right there. I'll just give her a reset.
Damn. The roof's coming off.
Yep. That looks great up here. Gone low, hasn't it? Or is that your song?
Oh, now it's low. Damn.
That is a lot of draw. I did not charge those to lipo high voltage. I think I'll try that next time because that would give you a more headroom before it hits low voltage. But that's really fun. Also, these paddles are not mine. They're just being borrowed, so I might look at getting a set. Sweet.
If you want to run in snow, they make
fun.
Incredible difference.
Yeah. All right, I'm also curious by taking off the fenders, how much snow has got thrown into the body. Oh, a lot. But I don't know if having the fenders there, the outside fenders, would have really mattered that much when we're using paddles. It's not terrible, but it's also not good. See the power level of these batteries? They still have 3 lights. I'm just going to give them a minute. I think it's just too much power draw, that much load on it. All right, battery's too low. Time to shut her down. Sweet, that was fun. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you aren't here to subscribe, you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.